What's up, everyone? I got another tool review here from Turning Wrenches. Now, I waited to do this review because I wanted to use it for a couple months, and I've had it for 2 months. I bought this FlexZilla hose that came with the Legacy reel, and it's in the picture here. I really like it. I don't have anything negative to say about this at all. I want to make this video because I just didn't see any reviews on hose reels for auto repair shop, or I guess for home as well, and I put the other one over there. I plan to put another one over here as well, maybe on the side, because I have to put I'm gonna buy some lifts to go in the center of this 4-post here. Now, I've heard good things about this hose. I read one review. They said that the hose would tear right here, but that review showed the hose without this sleeve. Now, I don't know what you would get. I imagine you would get just this hose if you bought it by itself, but I gotta tell you, this sleeve is so important. I could see this hose tearing here without the sleeve, because this is where you're putting pressure. You're forcing the hose onto your impact. I put this quick release here as well. Now, mounting it wasn't all that hard, but you see this arm here? I had to rotate this reel so that I had to unbolt this arm here and rotate in a different direction so I can get this angle. That's the only thing I did to this reel to mount it up. Again, you adjust that to what length you want this. And obviously I got it to the length. I'm about 6'1", so my head goes right over this. I don't hit it. Really good reel, well made. I plan to have that for many, many years, because I'm not one to abuse my tools, especially when I'm paying for them, right? They're not free. So I do highly recommend this Legacy. I think I picked it up at O'Reilly's. It was on sale. I believe they were like 180 or 220 around there, 160. Forgive me if I don't know the exact amount. It's been a while. But I do want to promote this. It's cool. It's heavy. By the way, I installed this by myself. You should have seen the way I did it. We'll see you. Take care of yourselves now.